Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Catherine. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to get a natural, everyday look. For a natural look, we're just going to use a little dollop of tinted moisturizer. You could also use BB creams or CC creams, anything that's going to be lightweight. When you're putting on foundation, you really want to use an applicator like a sponge or a brush. That way you don't use the applicator from the bottle or put the squeeze tube directly on your face. That's just going to gather bacteria and make you break out. Since it's a really natural look, I really want my skin to show through, so I'm swiping on the foundation rather than patting it in. This is just going to make it more sheer. Even though I want my skin to show through, I don't want my imperfections showing through, so we're just going to spot conceal. So the mirror was kind of far away, so I thought that mole was a dark spot. I guess I don't really know my face that well, but it's fine. Where we put that heavy concealer, we're just gonna blend out from the outside edge. We don't want to touch what's actually covering any imperfections, otherwise it'll just blend away. For under my eyes, I'm only going to put the concealer where the darkness is. I'm also using the yellow tinted concealer in the palette to counteract the purple underneath my eyes. If you have more blue under your eyes because of veining, you're going to want to use an orange tinted concealer. Since the concealer is so heavy, it can cause it to look a little splotchy, so I like to get a little dab more of tinted moisturizer and just go over it one more time. For myself, I'm not a huge fan of powder, so I just use a really lightweight powder. This one is actually going to be a shade darker than my actual skin tone because my arms are way darker than my face because I don't know why. And that's how you cheat a tan. Now I'm going to use this bronzer because that powder didn't make me tan enough. My arms are 5 times tanner than my face, so I gotta match. So I'm going to start as if I'm using it as a blush and really just defining my cheekbones and then kind of dusting it all over. I'm also going to dust this over my eyes to define them a little bit because, let's be real, I'm too lazy to put eyeshadow on and I'm usually running late to things, so I'm doing this in my car, so yeah. Then I'm just going to blend it out with my powder brush with the leftover powder that was already on the brush. Blending is key when it comes to makeup, especially for a natural look. You'll see me blend after almost every application of anything that I put on. So instead of putting blush on the apples of my cheeks, I actually put it where I wish my cheekbones were, a little bit higher on top of the cheekbone. This is going to give your face the appearance of being more lifted. Like I said before, I don't put any eyeshadow on when I'm doing a natural makeup look, but I do use this eyeshadow pencil as an eyeliner. It has the effect of making your eyes look more open and awake. See? So when you're filling in your brows, you really want to make fine little strokes like hairs. If your brows are a little more coarse, you can use a clear brow gel to keep them in place too. Then you can use even like a hair gel just with a mascara wand and apply with that. Just make sure that it's not like super shiny. Now I got a really dry face, so I love any highlight that I can get, and I love applying it with a fan brush. So I'm just gonna lightly put on the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and then I'm actually gonna put it on my eyelids just to give myself a little bit of depth. Now usually I have eyelash extensions because I hate putting on mascara so much, but here we are. So I curled my lashes, I put a primer on, and this is just gonna make it look like my lashes are longer because they are non-existent. So they just attach little fibers onto the end to make them look longer. Since this is a natural look, I'm going to use a brown brow gel as a mascara. This is my personal favorite lipstick, but really any tinted lip conditioning lipstick will work. Lipstick just pulls the look together for me. I wanted to do a close-up, that way you could see how much my skin can still breathe in this. This look is going to be perfect for those of you who are always busy, always in a rush, or just really don't like putting on a lot of makeup. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comment below. And until next time, like, subscribe, and share to the ugly mugs in your life.